Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall secure folder on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and here as you can see I have installed the secure folder, and I'm going to uninstall this folder. If we want to do that, first thing first, we can go to our setting and then open the privacy and security setting, this one. Just open the setting and you can go to the more security settings. Okay, select the secure folder, and if we want to uninstall it, we can go to the more settings and just select uninstall since we want to uninstall the secure folder. Just tap on that and then you can click on uninstall. Okay, and now as you can see guys that the secure folder has been uninstalled from my Android mobile phone, especially my Samsung Galaxy phone. And that's all the way how to uninstall secure folder. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.